In fact, Indian markets extend losses. Selling frenzy extends on Dalal Street. Sensex plunges over 800 points. Nifty drops over 250 points. That's the big breaking updates. Rupee slide versus dollar continues. Rupee hits a new low. Rupee slipping below 81.5 against US dollar. Rupee at 81.55 versus the US dollar. So that's the big breaking update as far as Indian markets are concerned. Indian markets extend losses. Selling frenzy extends on Dalal Street. Sensex, in fact, plunges over 800 points. Nifty drops over 250 points. Rupee slide versus dollar continues. In fact, Rupee hits a new low. Rupee slipping below 81.5 against the US dollar. Rupee at 81.55 versus the dollar. So Rupee once again witnessing a low. We're talking about Rupee slipping below 81.5 against the US dollar. Sensex plunges over 800 points and Nifty dropping over 250 points. Selling frenzy, in fact, extends on Dalal Street as a result. We have Harsh live with us from the newsroom. Harsh, Rupee once again witnessing a fall and markets also seeing a fall as the day begins. What more can you tell us?
Well, yes, absolutely. We're seeing the rupee slide, and that's largely, again, along expected lines. The dollar has gained. In fact, we've seen almost a 4% bump up on the dollar now since last week. In fact, the last 3 to 4 trading sessions, we've seen the dollar gain almost 4%. So sharp gains for the dollar, which is really what's leading to the rupee slide. Now, it's very evidently clear that the RBI still, though, seems to be controlling that rupee slide, because we're seeing more of a slide on other currencies. We're seeing the euro as well as the pound both getting pounded downwards. And that's largely the theme at the moment. Currencies against the dollar are really getting knocked off. And of course, that will lead to more pressure on the rupee going forward as well. But the RBI seems to be stemming that tide. That's broadly the consensus at the moment. Of course, the rupee has now breached 81.5 almost. So we are seeing more and more pressure coming through. And that's largely, again, on the back of some of the dollar currency, or rather FIIs, which are selling even within Indian markets and buying more of the dollar currency. And that will again continue to put pressure on the rupee as well. We are seeing Indian markets, especially early in trade, also quite under pressure. That's broadly the theme at the moment.
All right, so rupee slide versus dollar continues. Thank you, Harsh, for bringing all those updates.